Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to make a girl plus how to get girls in Brookhaven. So right here we're at Brookhaven right now, and before we make a girl, we're gonna get one. So to get a girl here, we must first target our girl. You see right here, we want her. Now to know this person's name, this is way is just press on her like that, and you will see her name as you can see right there. Her name is Bani Yasha. So now we're gonna type. Oopsie. Our controls are wiggling. Wait. Wait, wait. I don't know why I'm going right here. Oh my gosh, wait. Yeah, we're gonna go to her, and then first start off. Be respectful. Be respectful and say hi. Then wait for her to reply. Be respectful. Let's see if hello. Oh, there you go. She said hello. There we go. Now be respectful. Chat. Can I whisper to your chat? There you go. First, you go. All right. So now we're gonna whisper. To whisper, just press on their name right there. Now as you can see, Tusha. That means Tusha only. So all of our chats are Tusha. Now we are now started talking right here. You've started your conversation. There we go. Now we have our private chat with Sha. Now, as you can see right here, first thing you need to do is find a common interest. So, ask her what she likes. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? Find a common interest, find a common ground, because once you find your common interest, like activities or games, maybe she likes to play this kind of game or that kind of game or something in Roblox, um, and you know how to play that. Drive. Oh, what do you do? She likes to play driving games. So if you know how to play a driving game, just just type me too. Me too. There you go. Me too. There you go. You try to me too. There you go. As you can see, yeah. Now you are now hanging out. So now our next step right here, our next step right here is to be friendly and helpful. So as you can see right now, she's laughing and we need to laugh back. Ha ha ha. There you go. Now it's oh my gosh, where should I go like this? Right now, there we go. See, be playful, be friendful, and be like that. And next thing you need to do is don't focus on getting girls. Just focus on having fun. Focus your time with her. Focus on like just focus on her and focus what she likes or what she does and all of that stuff. There you go. She likes to do this, and we're gonna do that. See, so play her, follow her around, and there. Now, um, and another tip for you guys. I'm gonna give you a quick tip: chat wisely. Don't spam messages. Instead, try to engage in natural conversation, like the way how you talk to some person. Don't stutter. Don't try to act like you're trying to get her. Try to act like you want to be um, you want to be the person she wants to play with. And then as you can see right now, we're enjoying this fun ride and fun stuff. And then just be yourself right here. For my final tip, just be yourself. So we're just gonna be yourself. You don't need to act differently to impress anyone. Just being yourself and having fun is the best way to make lasting connections in a relationship. So now we're just gonna type in just be brave. Do you want to be let's let's say it's Valentine's, but it's not Valentine's. So let's say, do you want to be my my how about with the confidence to ask something? Do you want to be my we're not gonna say girlfriend at the start. We're just gonna say, do you want to be my friend? And type in because wait. Do you want to be a friend because I like you. Now we're gonna wait for a reply. Now, the worst thing that she can say is no. But as you can see right there, she typed sure. There you go. She typed sure right there. Now we are now it's not oh it's we're now on a relationship. It's not a girlfriend boy it's not a girlfriend boyfriend yet, but we are something, we're getting somewhere. Now that's your starting point. Now after that guys, I recommend just try having fun with her. If she likes doing this, she likes doing that, try to have fun doing those stuff with her. And there you go guys. So yeah, so there. And let's just say we're just gonna come back, just type her, I'll be back. Okay, because we're gonna do a how to make a girl um in Brookhaven. We're gonna wait for her. Why? Oh no, she's sad. No, okay, we're just gonna say, oh no, I'll just do something for 5 minutes and let's play. There you go. Yay! Okay, now she's gonna go. So now guys, we're gonna do how to make a girl in Roblox. So we're gonna make a girl in Roblox. Before we go, we're gonna say bye bye. Bye. And with the heart emoji. How to do the heart emoji in the PC? I think it's this one. Oh yeah, this one. Bye. Yeah, she said bye. Okay, now we're gonna go. I'm gonna go our separate ways because I'm gonna make a girl in Roblox. So how to make a girl in Roblox? To get a girl in Roblox, first thing you need to do is open up your avatar right here. Your changing avatar to make a girl in Roblox. Choose the gender. Choose a girl gender first, like this one right here. Choose this gender right here. After choosing the girl gender right there, change her dress to a much more girl outfit, girl look, girl hair, like this one right here. We can change it to girl hair right there. Just a overall girl look. After changing the the hair or the look, that try to change. There you go. We're gonna change her face like that. There you go. We're gonna change our color, skin color right here. Change our outfit. It's supposed to be a girl outfit, so we're gonna get ourselves a girl outfit right here. So it did make her feel look a little bit cozy. There we go. Love pink. She loves pink. Okay, we can delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that. There you go. I don't know why are we wearing why are we wearing that thing? Go choose this one right here. That looks nice. Now after that, we're just gonna get ourselves some jacket right here. There you go. I'm gonna get ourselves some white jacket right there. Then we're gonna put on some girl pants right here. There you go. I suggest using this one because this one looks good. And then after that, we're just gonna get some boots right there. Suggest choosing a white boots with the fur in them, or maybe a cute one right like this one right there. Let's see, I can click that. There we go. Cute one looks cute. But I suggest doing the furry one. Oh, this one's like favorite one. Then after that, choose ourselves some accessories, girl accessories. I suggest putting her some eyeglasses. There you go. Then after that, put her some bag. Give her some bag. Give her a white bag. White bag looks cool in every situation right there. So we're gonna put her white bag right there, and we're gonna put maybe a chain or something. Right. Gonna put a chain or something right there. Maybe a white necklace right there. There you go. So yeah. There you go, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video because you enjoyed. So here's our girl that we made in Roblox. So there you go. That's how you make a girl, and that's how you get the girl in Roblox. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.